Good morning. Now, I'm discussing the string concept. In the string concept, introduction, string literals, string variables. What is exactly string? String is a sequence of characters treated as a group. I think already we know the some strings. That is the file name, output string. Strings are very important in many program contexts. That is the names, other object. That means in the case of the numbers, identifiers, variables, etc. It is not an explicit type. Instead, strings are maintained as an array of characters. That means strings are stored in array of characters. Array can be any length. The end of the string is indicated by delimiter, that is the \0. Suppose, for example, take a string. That is the string. How it will be stored? A. See here, when you observe this one, how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, this is the 8 characters are there. A will be starting here, empty space, S, T, R, I, N, G, and also \0 will be there. Because this is the string. Now, string literals. String literals are values are represented by sequence of characters between double quotes. For example, if it is an empty string, we have to use the double quote here and also double quote in between. That is the empty string. Suppose, for example, the string is there. That is the hello. The hello has to put in the double quote. Suppose, for example, A is the string. See here, A, double quote. Oh, here, this is the single quote. This is the character. This is the string and also this is the character. Now, when you observe this one, A is a single character value as the ASCII value for A. A is an array with two characters. The first is the A. The second is the character value, that is the delimiter. String literal is an array can refer to a single character from the literal as a character. For example, printf %c hello, that is the string. Here index is the 1. Index is 1 means now here this is the array. Now h is 0, this is the h is the 0, this is the e is the 1. That means it outputs of this particular printf is the e. Understood? Printf %c hello 1. That means this is the string of array. What is the first character? That is the e. During compilation, C creates a space for each string literal. If you want to duplicate string literal, each string literal in a C program is stored at a different location. So, even if the string literals contain the same string, they are not equal. For example, take this one, char string 1 6, that is the hello. Char string 2, that is the 6, that is the hello. The string 1 and the string 2 contains the hello. but exactly it is not equal because that are stored in a different location. String 1 and string 2 are both are same. Both are same. That is not equal because that is stored in at a different location. Next one is the string variables. Allocate an array of a single size large enough to hold the string. Example, cast str16 hello. See here in this one, h will be stored in the 0th location, e will be stored in the first location, second, third, fourth. Char str2, there is the empty space, there is no size, hello. Automatically it will take the size of the string. Char star str3, hello. Now str3 is pointing to the hello. I will explain in the case of the pointers. This thing will be explained in the pointers. Okay. Now next one, char str4 6. Here when you observe this one, this is the array of characters. H, E, L, L, O. H is the one character, E is the one character, L is the one more character, L is the one more character, O, and also \0. That is the delimiter. Because this is the string. Now when you observe this one, str1 and str2, str3 and also str4, all are pointing to hello. All are pointing to the hello. Now, suppose for example, if you wrote that in str1 equals to str2, str1 equals to str2, that means str2, whatever the data is in str2, it has to go to the str1. It is not allowable, but we can copy the contents of the str2 to str1. I'll explain later in case of the how to do. Now, how to change the string variables? We can change the string variables. Suppose for example, char star str1, hello. Char star str2, goodbye. Char star str3. Is there empty? Nothing is there. str3 equals to str1, str3 equals to str2. Now str3 is point to same space S1 connected to. str3 points to the same space. Here the same space S1 is connected to. Now str3 equals to str2. Now str3 points to the same space str2 connected to. Once again I will explain in case of in the pointer concepts. Now, changing string variables. Char str1 6 hello, str1 of 0. The index is the 0. What? Now str1 4, that is the delimiter. Now if you display the str1 here in this case, it will not print the hello because the str of 0 is replaced with the y. It will display the YELLO. Suppose for example str1 of 4 equals to delimiter 0. It will display the hello. Important to retain delimiter, how to stay within the limits of the array.